Alright, so in the last video we went ahead and we did the configuration file. Now it's time to go ahead actually and work with the index page right here, which actually has the items or the products inside it. Alright, so if we go ahead right here at index.php, we're gonna see, we have like everything now. It's just HTML, pure HTML. So basically, if we look up over here, we can see that we have the head tag, we have this link right here, which actually is a link for the Bootstrap CDN. All right, and we have like a script right here. It's also a CDN script right here. All right, so it's actually font awesome. All right, we have a title and we have a nav bar right here. We have a container, and here we have, here we have our first div right here. We have the card right here, and we have also another card, and we have another card right here, which is 3 cards, and we have a symbol footer down here. All right, and of course inside the cards we're grabbing an image right here, and the images are being grabbed from the images folder right here. All right, so all of this are going to be grabbed. These cards or these products are going to be grabbed from the database. All right, so if we go right up there, and if we simply try to include the config file, so in order to go ahead and actually grab the items from the database. All right, so if we go right here, if we go require, if we go right here, config/config.php. All right, so this will simply allow us to grab, the object, the connection object right here. This object that will allow us to grab the items from the database. All right, so if we go right after this, and I want to go ahead now and write the code to start grabbing our own PHP, start grabbing our own items or products. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in products is equal to connection, and we are gonna go ahead and actually do a query. So I'm gonna go select all from let's say products right here. All right, so what we're doing right here is we're just setting a new variable, and we're grabbing the connection right here, and we are gonna go ahead and actually perform this method right here, which is the query, which takes in this symbol query right here, and this query will grab every single product that we have. All right, if you're familiar with MySQL, and I think that you should be familiar with MySQL if you're taking this course, you should know that the select all right here will grab every item right here, and the from keyword will be followed by a table name, and this table right here, we did not create this just yet, but we will create it in a minute. All right, so this will grab everything that we have inside the products table, and after this we need to go ahead and execute this. So we will just go execute. All right, so after this we need to fetch it. So if we go all products, so if we go products right here, so this will be fetch all. All right, so if we go PDO, and this will be fetch underscore all PG. So we will simply fetch this as as an object right here. All right, so if we just go ahead and copy this, and if we try to loop through it right here, so let's go down here, and we want to go ahead, let's see what we got. All right, so we need to remove all of those two right here, because we only need one to loop through it. All right, so if we remove those right here, and if we go let's say up right here, PHP for each, all products as product right here. And if we simply copy this and go right over here, the first thing that we are going to display is simply the image. So if we go right here, PHP echo product, and we are gonna grab the image as an instantiation from inside it or from it. So if we copy this and go right here, this is going to be the title of the product. So if we go title right here, all right, so after this will simply be the price. So if we simply paste this right here, if we go price, all right, so after this will simply be a description. So if I go right here and paste this in, this will be description. All right, so after this will simply be a link. All right, we will go to another page where we're gonna go ahead and pay for this. So I'm gonna leave this as a hashtag just for now. All right, so I want to go ahead now and end all of this. So right over here, I can go ahead PHP and for each. All right, so I save this, everything is fine. So if I go ahead now, I go ahead to localhost/pay, because this will simply go to the index page right away. Of course, we're gonna see right here. So as you can see, we're seeing an error base table or view not found right here. So it's not seeing this products table because of course we did not create it just yet. So let's copy it. I wanna go ahead to the config right here, and I want to comment this right here. So save this. I want this to be I want this to disappear right here, this message. All right, so if we go right here, if we go to the paid database, and if we go to the table name, if we simply paste this in, let's see what is the number of fields or columns that we want to have. We want the first one to be for the ID. All right, the second one is going to be for the image. The third one is going to be for the title. The fourth one for the price. The fifth one for the description. And we also need a date or a date time field also for the products. So we're gonna go ahead. So we're gonna make 6. So if we go and click on create, all right, so this will be ID right here. So I want this to be auto increment, and the index right here will be primary. All right, so we are gonna make the ID so it will actually be unique. So I want to keep this so it will be actually 2 the length. So this will be the image right here. The image is going to be a varchar. It's going to be 200 for the length. And after this we need the title. So the title is going to be also varchar. 200 is fine. All right, so after the title we have the price. The price right here, let's make it so it will actually be integer. So we're gonna go price right here, and this should be like 3 numbers are fine. After this we're gonna go ahead and grab the description. Let's actually grab it from the code right here. So if I grab the description, so we're gonna make this so it will actually be text, because it's going to be big. It's going to be a big amount of numbers. So for the length, we're not gonna put anything. We do not even have to put any length right here when we chose text. After this, we need a date time field. So I'm gonna go ahead create it at. All right, so this will be simply timestamp. And for the default right here, I'm gonna give this current timestamp. So this will actually snap or get the current time when a certain record is actually created. All right, so after this we can click on save. All right, so there we go. Here is actually our own table. So if we refresh this, so undefined constant PDO right here, all right, thrown in line 8. So let's see, we made another mistake. So all products switch all right here. Yeah, we're gonna make this as capital. So if we simply, all right, so there it is. Now the error is gone, so everything is fine for now. All right, so awesome. So let's go ahead now and insert a couple of products right here. So if we go to insert right here, all right, so for the image right here, we're gonna, if we look at the folder, if we go rename right here, if we copy this, and here is the name of the first, the name of the photo for the first project. All right, for the title, we're gonna keep this as the Django Basics book. You know, let's make it like a bookstore website, something like that. All right, so for the price, we're gonna keep it so it will be 20, and for the description right here, if we simply go ahead and go copy. All right, so create ad, we're gonna keep it as current timestamp. This is the default value. So after this, the second product, we're gonna grab the HTML5 right here. So copy, paste right here. All right, for the title, we're gonna keep it HTML5 book. All right, so for the price, we're gonna keep it $10. And for the description right here, let's paste. All right, so let's go ahead right here. Let's just copy any text that you want. All right, so I want to keep this, so it will be another project. So it will be another product right here. So if we copy this and paste this right here for the image name, and for the title, Node.js book. All right, for the price, I'm going to keep it so it will be actually $50. And for the description, I want to go ahead and grab this text right here for the description. All right, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. 3 are fine for now. If we go and just click on go. All right, so there it is. If we click on browse, all right, so awesome. So if we simply refresh this right here, so as you can see, here are our own products, and you know, the description looks quite lengthy. So if I go right over here, I'm gonna just copy this, and I'm gonna go for the description. I'm gonna just paste this symbol description right here. We don't want to make the description this big. So if I go to the last one right here, all right, so if I refresh this, so as you can see right here, all right, so there it is. Here's actually our own products here being pulled from the database dynamically. All right, so this will be it for this video. It was quite simple to make because it's just, you know, selecting data from the database through these lines right here. All right, so this will be it, and I will see you on the next video.